I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Interactive Brokers, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. Step 1. Check account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and properly linked to your account. Double check the expiration date and any associated fees. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Check if you have exceeded any transaction limits set by Interactive Brokers. These limits can sometimes block payments from processing. Step 4. Update software. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Interactive Brokers platform. An outdated app may cause payment issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Interactive Brokers customer support. They can provide specific insights into your account and help resolve the issue. Remember, payment issues can often be resolved quickly with a little troubleshooting. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get back on track.